Good morning students. This is the fourth video on this chapter decimals. So in this video we are going to discuss some of the story problems or word problems based on the decimals. Okay. Last class we have discussed the concept of the decimals and the operations based on the decimals, that is addition operation and subtraction operation, and today according to that operation we will solve some of the problems. So let's start. So the first question we are going to solve is Amit got a maths book for rupees 45 rupees 60 paise and a geometry box for 62 rupees 55 paise. What is the total amount spent by Amit? So this story problem says that Amit brought a maths book for how much rupees? 45 and another geometry box 62 rupees 55 paise. So what is the total amount? So what it is saying here? Total. Look at here carefully. This is saying that total amount. So total means how much? We have to make it plus or addition operation. So how to write? So first write cost of maths book how much it is given? It is given 45 rupees 60 paise. So write down. And second, what is the second item? The second item is the geometry box. So write down what to write here? Cost of geometry box. What is the second item? That is geometry box. So cost of geometry box. How much? 62 rupees 55 paise. And finally, what is the question asking? What is the total amount spent? So total, look at here. The word total is given. That means you have to find out the addition. Okay. So cost of total item, cost of total equal to, just plus it both. So 45 rupees 60 paise plus 62 rupees 55 paise. So here this 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry, that is 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and 4 plus 6 here, 10. So 108 rupees 15 paise, rupees, write the unit. So write down therefore, what to write? The total amount spent. Therefore, total amount spent equal is how much? 108 rupees 15 paise. Okay, we are going to solve another story problem. Look at here, this question. Priya traveled 8 km 95 meter in the first hour, 6 km 298 meter in the second hour, and 7 km 9 meter in the third hour. Find the total distance traveled in the 3 hours. So here also what in the story problem which what is given? Total. So total means it is clearly understood that this is a case of addition. So write one by one statement and find out the answer. So first we have traveled 8 km in the first hour. So she traveled in first hour, how much? That is equal to 8 km and 95 meter. So here 95 can be meter can be written as like this 8.095. Why? Because 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? 1000 meter. So 1000 means after decimal how many places? 3 places. So here 2 places are given. So 1 place is short. So we will write 1 0 left to the 95. So that after decimal there will be 3 places. So 8.095 kilometer. So 8 kilometer 95 meter we can write like this 8.095 kilometer. Okay. Now look at here. She traveled in the second hour how much? She traveled second hour, right? In second hour equal to how much? Second are 6 kilometer to 98 meter. 6 kilometer to 98 meter. Here already 3 places are there, so no need to place any zero. So 6.298 kilometer. So 6 kilometer to 98 meter can be written like this: 6.298 kilometer. Okay. Now look at the third hour. She traveled in third hour equal to how much? Third hour is, and third hour 7 kilometer 9 meter. 7 kilometer 9 meter. So write down 7 point. How much you write here? Look at here. So 9 meter means after decimal how many places should be? 3 places. But here 1 place is given. So how much zero left to the 9? 2 zero. Okay. So 009 kilometer. Okay. So 7.009 kilometer. So after decimal 3 places. Okay. So 7.009 kilometer. So we have already wrote the statements based on the questions. Now find out the solution. Question is asking find the total distance. Total means you have to plus it. So write plus of these three. 8.095. Then so you have to write according to the place value. Unit place, 10 place, 10 place like this. 6.298, 7.009. So how I am writing? Look at here. Unit place, and 10 place like this. We are arranging like this. So write down according to the place value and find out the addition. So 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. Write 2 here. 2 carry. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. So write 0 here. 2 carry again. 2 plus 2, 4. Put a decimal here. 7 6 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. So 21.402 what? Kilometer, because the unit is kilometer here. So what will write in our solution? What is the total distance? Therefore total distance traveled is how much? 21.402 kilometer in 3 hours. Okay. Now look at some more questions. In these questions some subtraction operation we are going to solve. So look at this question. An empty box weighs 1 kg 240 gram. When filled with oranges it weighs 19 kg 70 gram. What is the weight of the oranges? So first line said that the weight of the empty box. So write down weight of empty box equal to how much? That is 1 kg 240 gram. So 1 kg 240 gram can be written like this: 1.240 kg. Okay, because after decimal 3 places are there, we can write like this: 3 places, 1.240 kg. Okay. Now the next statement or next line say that when filled with orange, that means the box weight plus oranges weight together 19 kg 70 gram. So write down weight of box and plus oranges equal to how much? That is 19 kg, or you can write 19.06 kg. Okay, because 19 kg 79 equal to 19.070, but after decimal 3 places 070 kg. So this second line say that weight of box plus oranges. That means it is say that when it is filled means box is there plus the weight of box plus the weight of oranges together 19 kg 19.070 kg. Okay, and the third line says that the question, what is the weight of the oranges? That means we have to find out the weight of oranges only. So what to do? If we minus the weight of oranges from the total, then or weight of empty box from the total, we can find out the weight of oranges. So therefore weight of oranges, question asking weight of oranges. So weight of oranges equal to this total. That total means weight of box plus weight of orange minus the weight of the box. So weight of oranges equal to 19.070 minus what? 1.240 kg. Okay, kg, both are in kg. So do minus operation. 19.070 kg minus how much? 1.240 kg. Look at here, I am writing 1 below the unit place, so that here unit place is 9 and here also unit place is 1, so I am writing 1 below 9 here. So do the minus operation. 0 minus 0 here, 7 minus 4 3 here, and 10 minus 2 how much? 8. So 1 kg here, 1 kg means it is how much? It is 8 now. So 8 minus 1 how much? It is 7. So it is 1 here. So 17.830 kg. So the right, therefore what question is asking, what is the weight of the oranges? So write down, therefore weight of oranges is 17.830 kg. Okay, now look at this question. The question says that subtract the difference of 15.13 and 9.7 from their sum. So first we have to find the sum. So sum equal to, find out the sum. What is the sum? 15.13 plus 9.7. Okay. So here I am writing 7 is, this is a 10th place and this is the unit place. So write 1 more 0 here. It is 3 now, and 11 minus 7 how much? It is 4. And what is there here? It is 4 now. 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay. So 5.43. So it is plus operation. So plus means we have to do like this. 3, write the 3 here, and 7 plus 8, and 5 plus 9 14, 1 kg. So it will do 24.83. So it is the sum now, and subtract the difference of this. Now find the difference. So write here difference. So find out the difference. 15.13 minus what? 9.7. So do the minus now. Put a 0 here. 3 minus 0, 3. 11 minus 7 is 4, and 1 is getting here, so here it will be 4. So 14 minus 9 is 5. So what is the solution here? 5.43. So question is saying that subtract the difference of this from their sum. So difference, this is the difference and this is the sum. So from the sum you have to minus the difference. So now subtraction operation. 24.83 minus what? 5.43. So do the minus operation. 3 minus 3 0, 8 minus 4 4 here. So 14 minus 5 is 9. and what is there? Because 1 is carry, so what is 1 is here. So 19.40 is the solution. Okay.